enable auto sign in on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable auto sign in on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and then click this three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings, and then click this one, personal browsing data, and here you will find usernames and passwords. Here you will find auto sign in. Just click on it one click, and as you see, auto sign in have been have been enabled. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.